Hey, everyone. Welcome back to MonCode, where we make coding easy and fun. Are you ready to dive into the world of programming but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring how to start coding, perfect for beginners like you. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be excited to begin your coding journey. Let's jump right in. Picture this. You're sitting at your computer, and with just a few lines of code, you create something incredible, a website, a game, or even an app. Sounds amazing, right? Well, guess what? You can do it, too. Coding is not just for tech wizards, it's for everyone. So, let's embark on this exciting adventure together. First things first, why should you learn to code? Coding is a superpower that opens up endless possibilities. It allows you to build your own projects, automate tasks, and even pursue a career in tech. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to see your code come to life. Whether you're interested in web development, game design, or data science, coding is the key to unlocking your potential. Now, let's talk about choosing the right programming language. There are so many languages out there, but don't worry, we'll start with the basics. For beginners, I recommend starting with Python. It's user-friendly, versatile, and widely used in various fields. If you're interested in web development, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are great places to begin. Pick one language and stick with it until you feel comfortable. Next, let's set up your coding environment. You'll need a code editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, to write and test your code. Some popular options include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Atom. Most of these tools are free and easy to install. Once you have your editor ready, you're all set to start coding. Now, it's time to learn the basics. Every programming language has its own syntax, but they all share common concepts. Start with variables, data types, and basic operations. Then, move on to control structures like loops and conditionals. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes, that's how you learn. Practice is key to becoming a proficient coder. The more you code, the better you'll get. Try solving coding challenges on websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeWars. Build small projects to apply what you've learned. Remember, coding is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Learning to code can sometimes feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Join online communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or local coding meetups. Surrounding yourself with other coders can provide support, motivation, and valuable insights. Plus, it's a great way to make new friends who share your passion. Finally, the tech world is always evolving, so it's important to keep learning and stay curious. Follow tech blogs, watch tutorials, and keep experimenting with new technologies. Coding is a journey, not a destination. The more you explore, the more exciting things you'll discover. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know to start your coding journey. Remember, the key is to stay curious, keep practicing, and have fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!